Hello everyone, this is 360 crochet. All right, I had washed and blow dried her hair. No, I don't think I blow dried it by this time. I just washed it. Yeah, picking it from the towel off of that. After I blow dried it and grease it up with my crystal grower, I put it in the 360 braid pattern with small braids coming towards the front on both sides and the back, and then the back comes that way. This is crochet hair that we will be using. It's as you can see on the beginning, it's a plait crochet, and she got it in B1 if I'm not mistaken. This came in the 3X bundles, where supposedly one bag is supposed to cover an entire head. But if you want a full head where you can't really see it, you're going to have to end up using like 2.5 bags. That's what we had to use. Now she has thicker hair, so. And that's how it came out. Thank you all for watching. I hope you remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and share if you care. Remember to stay happy, stay in love, and remember to make memories. She can wear it up, down, however she like. That's the back, sides. It's kind of hurting us, so I just made sure we only put a top on. All right, goodbye, y'all.